How to set up Brother Sewing Machine Instructions step by step. Step 1. Plug the power cord into the machine. Step 2. Turn on your sewing machine. Step 3. On the display, select your language. Step 4. Tap on OK to start wireless LAN setup. Step 5. Once the search is finished, select your SSID. Step 6. Enter the network key or password and tap on OK. Step 7. Tap on OK to apply settings. Step 8. Once the machine connects to the wireless LAN, tap on OK. Step 9. Raise the presser foot lever to raise the presser foot. Step 10. Insert the spool in the spool pin. Step 11. Pull the thread with your left hand and then pass the thread behind the thread guide cover and to the front. Step 12. Pass the thread under the thread guide plate and pull it up. Step 13. Pass the thread through the thread channel in the order shown below. Step 14. Catch the thread in the latch at number 6. Step 15. Pass the thread from number 7 to number 8. Step 16. Lower the presser foot lever to lower the presser foot. Step 17. Lower the needle threader lever on the left side of the machine until it clicks and then slowly return the lever to its original position. Step 18. Carefully pull the end of the thread passed through the needle's eye. Step 19. Catch the thread in the hole of the pressure foot. Step 20. Open the cap on the bobbin case. Step 21. Insert the bobbin. Step 22. Guide the thread from the left as per the inscriptions. Step 23. While lightly holding the upper thread with your left hand, press the needle position button twice to lower and then raise the needle. Step 24. Carefully pull the upper thread upward to pull out the end of the bobbin thread. Step 25. Pull up the bobbin thread, pass it under the presser foot, and pull it towards the back of the machine, making it even with the upper thread. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.